Today, every industry depends on software. Either they are using software or creating their own software. And the software could be a mobile app, a web service, or some automation task. Developing or building software has become complex because of the changing needs or increasing user base. Therefore, building software includes two phases, the development and the operations, hence the name Devops. During the development phase, we need to plan, code, build, and then test. And once the testing is over, we need to deploy and monitor. And then we may have to scale the software to cater to huge number of users. So the DevOps has become inevitable. The good news is, for the various phases of software development and operations, there are great tools available. We just need to learn to use these tools and follow the industry practices in order to build great software. As of now, the DevOps roles are big in demand in industry. Every software engineer is expected to know the tools and the practices involved in DevOps. 99% of the jobs expect an engineer to have the knowledge of DevOps. Let us discuss the various tools that are part of the various phases of DevOps that we will be covering in this course. The first one is Git. Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in source code during software development. It is designed for coordinating work amongst programmers, but it can be used to track changes in any set of files. So, whether you are coding alone or in team, using Git for managing the source code is essential. The role of Git would become clear to you if you think how multiple authors would contribute to a book. Ansible is an open source software provisioning, configuration management, and application deployment tool. It runs on many Unix-like systems and can configure both Unix-like systems as well as Microsoft Windows. It includes its own declarative language to describe system configuration. Then comes Docker. Docker is a tool designed to make it easier to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Containers allow a developer to package up an application with all of the parts it needs, such as libraries and other dependencies, and ship it all out as one package. Next one is Kubernetes. It is an open source container orchestration system for automating application deployment, scaling, and management. It was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code software tool created by HashiCorp. It enables users to define and provision a data center infrastructure using a high-level configuration language known as HashiCorp Configuration Language, or optionally JSON. Jenkins is a free and open source automation server. Jenkins helps to automate the non-human part of the software development process with continuous integration and facilitating technical aspects of continuous delivery. It is a software-based system that runs in servlet containers such as Apache Tomcat. Grafana is a multi-platform open source analytics and interactive visualization software since 2014. It provides charts, graphs, and alerts for the web when connected to supported data sources. It is expandable through a plugin system.